What if I told you your biggest obstacle is not your boss, it's not the economy, it's not your lack of confidence. It's a sentence you have been repeating inside your head for years. I'm not good enough. I'm not skilled enough. I always mess things up. I'm terrible with money. I cannot speak in public. Now, here is the question: who wrote that story? And even a bigger question: what if that story is not true? If you are ready to understand how your mind may be holding you back, and more importantly, how you can change that, then you are in the right place. I'm Reshma Nanavati, a certified NLP practitioner, a leadership coach and mentor, and I help people master their money and mindset. I have worked with people who are brilliant, talented, hardworking, yet they are stuck because of one invisible barrier. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of the most fascinating and practical tools used in coaching, career growth, sales, education, leadership development, personal transformation, and communication training around the world. NLP stands for Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Sounds complicated? It's actually incredibly practical. Let's break it down. Neuro. This is your brain and nervous system. It's how you think, how you feel, remember, and react. Linguistic. This is the language you use, not just the words you speak to others, but the words you whisper to yourself every single day, because your inner dialogue becomes your outer reality. Programming, these are the habits, patterns, beliefs, emotions, and automatic responses you've learned over time. Think of your mind like a smartphone. The hardware is amazing, but if the software has old bugs, the phone still works, just not at its highest potential. NLP is about updating your mental software, not changing who you are, but removing what no longer serves you. NLP was developed in the early 1970s by Richard Bandler, a mathematician and a computer programmer, and John Grinder, a linguist. They both asked a simple but revolutionary question: what if the excellence could be modeled? Instead of studying what was wrong with people, they studied what extraordinary communicators were doing right. They modeled Virginia Satir for communication and family therapy, Fritz Perls for emotional awareness and change, Milton Erickson for language, influence, and hypnosis. This modeling became the foundation of NLP, demonstrating that successful thinking, communication, and behavior can be observed, learned, and replicated. NLP was not invented from theory. It was built by studying excellence. Three extraordinary therapists showed the world that was possible. Bandler and Grinder transformed those patterns into tools that millions use today to create impact worldwide. Here's something fascinating. You were not born believing, I'm not smart, I'm not confident, I will never succeed. Those beliefs were learned. Maybe a teacher embarrassed you, a parent criticized you, you failed once, someone rejected you. One moment, one emotion, and suddenly your brain created a rule. I guess I'm not good at this. Years later, that one moment becomes your identity. But here is the truth: a belief is simply a thought you have practiced long enough to mistake for a fact. A belief is not a reality, it's a mental habit, and habits can change. This is where NLP becomes powerful. Instead of fighting your beliefs, NLP helps you question them. For example, instead of saying, I always fail, ask, always? Really? Can you think of one time you succeeded? Your brain suddenly starts searching for new evidence. NLP also helps you reframe experiences. Instead of, I failed, you begin asking, what did this teach me? Same event, completely different meaning, different emotion, different action, different results. Today, NLP is used in many leadership and professional development programs because communication starts from inside out. Leaders use NLP to build executive presence, communicate with greater influence, handle difficult conversations, develop emotional intelligence, strengthen confidence under pressure. Professionals use it to ace interviews, speak confidently, build stronger relationships, manage stress, improve decision making, shift from self doubt to self belief. Here is the truth: your career rarely grows beyond your thinking. Change the thinking, you change the results. What belief are you carrying today that no longer deserves a place in your future? Every breakthrough begins with one decision: to stop believing the story and start creating a new one. Remember, your mind is listening to every word you say. Choose those words wisely, they become your future. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and follow for more practical education, mindset, leadership, personal growth communication, and financial wellness. I'm Reshma Nanavati, a John Maxwell certified leadership coach and mentor, a certified NLP practitioner, and a financial wellness coach. I'm passionate about helping individuals and organizations unlock their full potential by transforming the way they think, lead, communicate, and grow. If you are looking for an engaging speaker or trainer for your community, organization, corporate office, professional association, school, or leadership team, I would love to partner with you. Book me for your next workshop, leadership training, or keynote, and let's empower people together. Because when people change the way they think, they change the way they lead, they change the way they live, and ultimately, they change the world. Until next time, keep investing in the most powerful asset you will ever own: your mind.